Hello, hello. This home boasts 4,200 square feet, sleeps 14 guests, and it's just 5 minutes from Blue Mountain Beach. I can't wait to show you. Come on, let's check it out. Let's step inside 106 Seaboard Lane, a true coastal gem tucked inside the new gated community of Bluewater Landing, just south of Scenic 30A in beautiful Blue Mountain Beach, Florida. In case you're new here, I'm Kat Baker, a realtor serving 30A and the Emerald Coast. If you ever run into any questions at all, you can call me directly on 850-375-2682. I'd be honored to help. The bottom level is full of fun, the perfect space for making a ton of lifelong memories. This first garage was conveniently designed with a mudroom. Genius, every mama's dream. The second garage has been converted into a fun-filled game room. How perfect is this space for relaxed entertaining? Wait until you see the bonus bunk room. Bet you've never seen a cuter one. Out back, the covered back porch comes with a hot tub and fire pit area, giving you the perfect spot to relax and recharge. Could you picture your family and friends out here? I 100% could. The 3-story layout is served by an elevator, ensuring convenience on every level. Let's head on up and see what we find upstairs. On the second level, the gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring jaw-dropping Cafe GE appliances, a large island, and a natural gas range. This is the only home in Bluewater Landing with sliding glass doors leading to a private second-floor balcony, offering a seamless indoor-outdoor living. Nestled near the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, this home captures unobstructed panoramic views of Draper Lake and surrounding conservation land, meaning your sunrises and sunsets stay protected with no future development in sight. You'll find 2 bedrooms on this level, one with ensuite and one with a hall bath. The 2 flex spaces in this home give you so many options. Use them as a media room, home office, or additional lounge area. Up top, you'll find 3 bedrooms with ensuites. Thinking of investing? This home is short-term rental friendly and comfortably sleeps 14 guests, with rental projections up to $80,000 annually. Whether it's a vacation escape or income property, it checks all the boxes. Fully furnished and professionally decorated with high-end designer pieces, this home is 100% turnkey and ready for you to move in or start generating income. Wait until you see the master bedroom. Its large ensuite and closets, plus a private balcony, you'll never want to leave. Whether you're looking for a high-performing vacation rental, primary residence, or second home, 106 Seaboard Lane brings you the best of Blue Mountain Beach with stunning views, thoughtful customizations, and unbeatable access to everything 30A has to offer, all just minutes from the sugar white sands of the Emerald Coast. So what do you think about the house? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a private tour of this home or any other home on the Emerald Coast, you can find my contact below. I hope to meet you in person soon. Bye.